The city of St. Petersburg, the developers here have found a way to define St. Petersburg. Bliss. This is it. Hi, I'm Kelly Lee McFrederick with Premier Sotheby's International Realty. And what we're doing is we're showing you what is getting ready to come up. It's already halfway sold out. It got launched and got sold very quickly. We have 30 residences. They're starting at about $800,000. And what's very different about it, as you can see, it's not a real big piece of land. So what they're going to do with their garages is you actually get on a vehicle elevator that will take you up to your private residence. And your private residence will have its own foyer entrance, and there's no shared walls. It's going to be a very major, innovative building that will be happening with spectacular views. We are right here. We are on 4th Avenue North between Beach Drive and 1st Street. So of course our very famous Beach Drive is, there's the water right there. Of course with our Straub Park, we have 400 Beach, we have Park Shore Towers, we have Ovation, we have Florencia, we have it all. Vinoy is right around the corner. So you can imagine the desire. We're basically sold out of all of these gorgeous downtown condos. So we have one new that's here, and they will be spectacular. You're going to have floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the views. You're going to have all wooden floors, carpets in your bedrooms, of course, state-of-the-art appliances. You're going to have balconies, and you're going to have common areas that you can even have a dog in. So, wow, like a nighttime little walking dog area. State-of-the-art fitness center, and it's going to be a very high-end, very more contemporary feel that's going to give you the amenities that you truly desire. If you're interested in the Bliss, let me help you purchase one for yourself. That's what we want to do, because you definitely want an agent on the other side who's watching out for your interest and knows the downtown. I am selling what I am living. I live and work in this beautiful downtown area. So call me 727-410-3605 and I will get you set up in Bliss.